Hi everyone, everything I'm about to explain has been verified by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, we'll take it step by step. One thing that immediately stands out is the automatic transmission, both the 6-speed and 10-speed in the newer models. Many customers who come into the shop tell me things like, it gives a hard jolt shifting from second to third, or sometimes it feels like it hesitates before accelerating. That doesn't always mean it's broken. Most of the time, the transmission just needs a control module reprogramming so it learns to shift more smoothly. Ford even released technical service bulletins to fix these harsh shifts. As one mechanic told me, most of these F-150s aren't bad. They just need to be taught how to shift properly. So before panicking, the first step is to visit the dealership to update the software and check the fluids. Right when the transmission starts to feel off, some mechanics also notice a rattle when starting the EcoBoost engine cold, the famous cam phaser rattle. Owners describe it as a 1 or 2 second rattle in the morning startup, which can be alarming but usually disappears once the engine warms up. The cause lies in the camshaft actuators and the oil pressure at startup. Ford has released updates and, in some cases, part replacements to address this. One technician summed it up like this: if it sounds like a diesel at startup and then goes away, you know it's normal, but it's still worth checking. This connects directly to the transmission because any strange engine noise can make shifts feel harsher when starting off. Meanwhile, another common issue we see in this shop is oil consumption and carbon buildup in EcoBoost engines due to direct injection. Several owners say, between oil changes I have to add more oil, or the truck felt sluggish until the valves were cleaned. This doesn't mean the engine is doomed, but it does require regular maintenance and using the correct oil. Some shops perform valve cleaning and preventive maintenance, which improves performance and prevents bigger problems. Everything is connected. If the engine makes noise, the transmission feels off, and the oil drops quickly, it's a sign that the vehicle needs timely attention.